gone.
I put a few caps in him. I just tossed hats at him. Wait, did I kill him?
Is that it?
I might have killed him or something.
I don't know. It's weird.
Oh, this guy had spark plugs.
Yeah, there's 2 body bags. There's also one behind you.
Yeah, I already looted it. There was only a machine.
Get out! Get out!
Oh.
Get out! Got him.
Nice. I'm a
Just watch for his partner.
heal.
Watch for his partner.
His partner's probably dead. It's one of those body bags probably. Because I was shooting at one. He must have died of like something because I saw lulls kill someone.
Oh, you did? Okay. So let me just check these homes real quick.
Do you already have a shotgun?
I do. Just need extra AR ammo if he has.
There's a backpack. Oh, you already have one. Alright, that's one team down from the surface of this planet.
Roger that. Take that out. Let's go in here. Alright, let's put the biofuel.
Someone's out! Someone's out!
Good job.
Nice.
Good job, man. That was probably his partner, I guess. I don't know. He had AR ammo.